Hello friends, welcome to Next Generation Coder. In this video we will talk about keyword argument. For example, I show you def ngoc x equal to 9 y equal to 2 and print y into x, and then we call it ngoc, and when we run this then we get 18. Hence here we do not get any error if we do not give any argument. This happens because this is a keyword argument. In this we assign the value here already, but friend, here you also give the argument if you want. For example, 5 comma 3, and then we run this and then we get the output 15, because 5 into 3 is 15. This happens because if there is no argument, then Python takes 9 and 2, and if the argument is given, then an argument is taken. When you very well understand the concept of keyword argument, in the next video we will talk about default argument. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question to ask, then ask in the comment box. As soon as possible I will reply you.